All right, y'all, we're cooking a pastalaya today. We got 30 pounds of smoked sausage going in. Ooh, look at that sausage right there, y'all. Looking good, smelling good. Get it up out there like that. Going in there with 30 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. All right, y'all, we're gonna hit it with that Southern Boy low sodium. Oh, check that out. Look at that color going on there, boy. That black pepper. We're gonna hit it with a little salt. Louisiana hot sauce. You gotta watch that Dale, man. You gotta watch that Dale. A little Lee and Perry right there. Chicken. Look at that chicken, boy. Oh, look at that gravy it's creating down in there. Look at that, Dallas. Show how pretty that is right there. Ooh-wee. Now we're gonna get it up out there. We're going in there with 30 pounds of temple meat. All right, look at that, brother Dallas. That temple meat's all ready. Show it to them. Look at that, y'all. Look it down in that bottom right there, y'all. It's all about the gravy, baby. It's all about the gravy. Look at that. 30 pounds of the Holy Trinity. Getting all that off the side of that pot. See all that? Oh, man, that's what I'm talking about right there. Put a mixture of rotel and some diced tomatoes. Drop that in there right there. So we're going in there with a cream of mushroom soup. All right, brother Dallas, we're going to get all that right there cooked now. Just making that meat, making that gravy. Back in there with that temple meat. Ooh. Going back in there with that 30 pounds of smoked sausage. We'll get all that cooked down in them onions and everything. Look at that. Oh, look how pretty that's looking. With 10 gallons of water. That's your first 5 gallons, and here's your second 5 gallons. 2 bottles of brown sugar water. So y'all, we're gonna bring that to a boil right there. See, nobody wants no greasy pastalaya, so we take them napkins down in there like that. You know, and I heard it on the post I made yesterday. Oh my God. Them paper towels, let me tell you something, y'all. You wipe your mouth with them, you wipe your hands, all that, but look at that, y'all. Removes all that old grease out there. You got to get your grease out of your pastalaya. It ain't nobody wants a greasy pastalaya. Getting better. Getting better. Need some more salt to it. Add a little more salt to it. A wrap on that salt right there. A little more pepper. There's a wrap on that pepper right there. And still, we can come back in there, y'all. We're gonna brush it with a little Dales. You know what I like to say? You gotta watch that Dales. You gotta watch that Dales. Put that Dales in there. All right, let's get this big old top. Give it another stir, y'all. Y'all, because at this point right here, whatever your water tastes like is what your pastalaya is gonna taste like. So we're giving it all a good stir around, mix around like that. Oh, man. Knock that off. Grab us a fresh spoon right here. Kind of mix it up a little bit and get in there. Get a little of that juice, see what it's tasting like. That's it right there, y'all. Awesome stuff right here. Don't get no better than this right here. Take them noodles like this big, look. You get the whole pound out at one time. You break it in half like that. Get it broken in half. And when you throw them down, you kind of spin them. You gotta get that spin on them like that. So you, boom, like that. Then you come back, shoot, and you spin them down in there like that. And then you take, and you don't stir them around. You kind of push them down like that, and then you lift them back up. You push them down, and you lift them back up. 30 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Y'all, I think this here is gonna be a lid pusher right here. Y'all check that out right there. Look at that. Watch this pastalaya, y'all. Now what we're gonna do, y'all, we're gonna roll that chicken down in there. And we don't wanna stir it down in there. We wanna just roll it down in there and get it mixed in there. You always add your chicken in last.
Hey, Daddy.
Hey, babe.
What are you doing?
Oh, we're panning up that pastalaya for the rodeo tonight. Look at that. Look at that. Man, don't that look good right there? Y'all, that there is a authentic Louisiana pastalaya. It just don't get no better than what's in this pan right here. But anyway, y'all, we're getting them all panned up. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. That's temple meat, sausage, chicken. Look how whole that chicken is. You know, a lot of times people cook and they say, where's the chicken at? There ain't no more chicken left because they left it in. Get that chicken out there, put it back in when you get ready to do that first flip. All right, B. Got 12 pans in there now. Fixing the head to A meat, delivered up there to the sheriff's department, y'all. Awesome stuff.